She validated my body pass now. So I guess I can start the video again in 5 minutes. Unbelievable, yeah? That's a good one. This is good that she passed out and cancel my answer. Listen, when she get... Lord. When she get home. Yep. That's what we have today for checking. So I guess we're gonna leave in a bit when they confirm when they confirm all passengers boarding before they left. So once they done verify, it's time to go, I think. Look at the surrounding again. Surprising, eh? And they have these houses so close to buildings. Like sky-rising buildings right in the middle of the train. Capturing memories of where you be and where you've been. Put it that way. Alright? So, have a good one. Until then. Ayeeee. Lord. See, I guess it's start moving now. So, all the passes verified. Then they leave it now. Wow. That's how close this building now to the train station. No way. And one more is going up. There's a new building going up there, step by step. They say in life, never say never, because you never know what's going to happen. When I was a kid, someone tell me, get me a t-shirt, and they got a t-shirt and I hold on to the t-shirt, and the person tell me, you could never go right here. t-shirt come from. Never. I remember that plain. I could never go right here where t-shirt come from. And guess what? Right now, I'm videotaping from the same place that person tell you that I will never go. So in life, never say never to someone. Never say never to someone that they can't. Because the very thing that tell them they can't do, that's the thing they're gonna do. I was told by my boss I would never drive a STA Cadillac. I would never drive a Cadillac. And the very same car he told me I couldn't drive, I drove it. I bought one. After I leave the job where I was, that he told me I cannot buy it. After I left the job, I bought the same car or the upper grade one to that. So, can't tell people you can't do this. That's what we're gonna do, especially a yard man. If you tell you I can't, we're gonna prove you wrong. We will prove you wrong.